Hi everybody. Today I would like to teach you about the direct and indirect speech. In this session we are going to learn how to change the direct imperative sentence into the indirect speech. For example, he said it to me, comma, quotations begin, open the window, full stop, quotations end. This statement is in the direct speech. He said it to me, open the window. He said it to me is the reporting part and open the window is the reported part. While changing this direct speech into indirect speech, reporting and reported parts are to be joined. While joining the reporting and reported part, if you find the imperative sentence in the inverted commas, we should join the reporting and reported parts by using the preposition to. He said to me, open the window. Instead of said to, we should use ordered in the indirect speech. He ordered me to open the door. This is the statement which is in the indirect speech. Instead of said to, we use ordered, requested, advised, suggested, etc. in the indirect speech when the imperative sentence is given in the inverted commas. Let us see some more examples. Rahul said to me, comma, quotations begin, please give me your pen, full stop, quotations end. This is direct speech. Rahul requested me to give my pen to him. Raju said to me, please give me your pen. Raju requested me to give him my pen. This is indirect speech. Here, when the statement starts with please in the reported part, which is in the form of imperative sentence, instead of said to, we should use requested. Okay, requested to is to be used in the indirect speech. Mohan said to her, comma, inverted commas begin, bring me a glass of water, full stop, inverted commas end. This is in direct speech. Mohan said to her, Mohan ordered her to bring him a glass of water. Mohan ordered her to bring him a glass of water, full stop. Okay, this is indirect speech. In such a way, we need to follow the structure which are related to the imperative sentence, such as verb 1 plus object plus phrase, active voice, please plus V1 plus object plus phrase, active voice. Here we have two structures for the imperative sentence. For good and all, an imperative sentence expresses a command or request. Okay, by following the rules which are to be applied while changing direct speech into indirect speech regarding the imperative sentence which is in the reported part, we should change from direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, Lalit said to me, comma, the quotations begin, don't be excited, full stop, quotations end. Lalit advised me not to get excited, full stop. This is indirect speech. The teacher said to the student, comma, quotations begin, prepare well for the exam, full stop, quotations end. The teacher advised the student to prepare well for the exam. When the imperative starts with don't plus V1 plus object in the reported part, don't becomes not to in the indirect speech. He said to them, comma, quotations begin, don't play with fire, full stop, quotations end. This is direct speech. He advised them not to play with fire. He ordered them not to play with fire. Suppose if you don't know which expression is to be used instead of said to, we can use ordered to in the indirect speech as usually. Okay. In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.